In this tutorial, I'll show you how I can use a switch and case pattern in Stateflow Simulink. Okay, and this is a simple model which shows the brightness using a mode. Okay, and this is under Simulink Stateflow. You can see mode 1, 2, and 3, and so on. We can select it here and desired output. Okay, and if we see inside the scope, and this is the model we will get in this tutorial. Okay, and when mode 1 is selected, as we can see here, our brightness is low value, okay, like 10. And when mode 2 is selected, our brightness is quite medium, okay, and you can see here the brightness is 50. And the mode other than 1 and 2 will give us the brightness 0. Okay, as you can see, when mode 3 is selected, you can see the brightness is 0, and so on. Okay, so let's make the model. I'm taking a new model here. Okay, and we need Stateflow block. Okay, Stateflow chart block, and for that we have to go Stateflow, and this is Stateflow chart. Okay, I'm dragging to our new model. Okay, double clicking on this chart, and in the blank Stateflow canvas, you have to right click on your mouse, and under add pattern in chart you will see switch. Okay, and here I'm taking 2 cases and default, and you can also take 3 cases and default, and 4 cases and default, and so on. These all are similar. Okay, I'm taking 2 cases and default. Okay, now click on this, and it will create a pop-up window like this, and you have to set description. I'm setting at smart light. Okay, and switch expression, I need to select mode. Okay, I'm taking switch expression as mode, and fast case level I'm taking as 1, and case body will be like brightness equals 10. Okay, when mode 1 is selected, our brightness will be 10, and second case level I'm taking as 2, and second case body will be when mode 2 is selected, and in mode 2 we need brightness a medium value like 50. Okay, and the other cases, rather than 1 and 2, default case body I want it as brightness will be 0. Okay, so this is the condition of our model, and click OK, and it will create a Stateflow model. Okay, and you can see here when mode 1 is selected, our brightness is 10. Sorry, it will delete it. Okay, and when mode 2 selected, brightness will be 50. Okay, and the other cases brightness will be 0. Okay, now we have to go modeling and symbol panel to resolve the undefined symbol. Here mode 1 mode is input and brightness is our output. I'm clicking on this icon to resolve the symbol automatically. Okay, and we have to go Simulink again, back, and I need a star generator block to give input to mode. Okay, and type STAIR. Okay, and sorry, it will and you will see a star generator block under electrical specialized power system and sources. Okay, click on this, and then we need a scope block. Okay, and I'm taking a scope block. Okay, and our scope input will be true, and which is mode and brightness. Okay, I'm taking input port 2, and layout will be this. Okay, click OK, and I'm closing the scope, and this is our mode input and scope connected to mode. Okay, and rename it to mode input. Okay, and this is our brightness, this is our output. Okay, and I'm taking as brightness. Okay, and we have to give our mode input, and time value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 4 and 5. Okay, and I want mode as 1 1 2 2 3 and 0. Okay, now click OK. Okay, now our model is created. Now run this model. Okay, okay, now you can see the transition level here, and I'm checking the scope output here. Okay, and I want to line width mass larger here. This is 2 and this is mode input here. Okay, no problem here, I'm checking it too. And this is our brightness and I want it as green. Okay, now click apply and OK. Now you can see here this is our mode input. Okay, and when mode 1 is selected, our brightness is 10. Okay, as you can see here, when mode 2 is our input, you can see our brightness level is 50. Okay, and mode 3 gives us the brightness 0 and so on. Okay, so this is the way you can use cases and switch pattern in stateflow simulink. Okay, and you can also add pattern, switch pattern like 3 cases and default and 4 cases and default and so on. Okay, I'm not showing it here. You can model it um, by own. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.